Hey everybody, so I'm going to do some seasoned canned chicken. I'm going to do some lemon pepper and some barbecue. So, get a glove. So I have some chicken breast here, right there, cubed up, and then I have a couple of chicken thighs. And I'm just using the jars I have available. I'm going to put some chicken breast in here. Put my thighs in there. Excuse me. Okay, wanted to get that out of the way. So I have my citrus seasoning. You can just use your regular lemon pepper, but I have this citrus seasoning. Has garlic and all kind of stuff in it, so I am going. Rocky, get out of here. There's nothing in here you can have. Dogs are getting all hopped up tonight. Okay. They have these so compacted, these containers, which I'm not complaining, but you have to break it up. I'm going to put a half a teaspoon in each of these jars. They're raw, so we're not going to add any liquid. I'm going to add just a smidge of pepper. This makes for a really flavorful chicken salad or soups or whatever you want to use it in. And then this is the Texas barbecue seasoning. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of it to the chicken thighs. And then any barbecue sauce you want. I'm just using what I have open. And that's it. And I'm just trying to go through my freezer, rotate things, get more meat in jars. Wipe off your rims with vinegar. That's why I used the funnel. I didn't want to get them all mucked up. Add our lids. Make sure they're not bent or anything. I think these are all ball lids. That one looks pretty good. Some of these already look pressed in. I just don't trust a lot of those balls. I'll show you why. That's a stack of ball lids, and you can see that they are not in good shape. So they're bent, dented, so you really want to check your lids. I wouldn't even use the ones that come on the jars personally. This one's all warpy. So if you're buying boxes of ball lids, really check them out. I get mine at camera shut off. Just check your jars really well. I buy these at Lehman's, and they're just, they have blue, this stuff is blue now with the Lehman lids on their new ones, but I've never had a problem with them. So get our rings. Three quarts of water in my canner. Okay, and I'm going to do some black beans now, so we'll do a video on that. Okay, it's ready. Barbecue thighs. Lemon pepper chicken. So there we go. We have some flavored chicken to put on the shelf. So if you have some chicken you need to can, or any meat really, flavor it up however you want, put it in the canner and pop it on the shelf. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. You all stay safe, you stay healthy, and you can your meat. See you in the next video.